So now we want to work on our thumbnail. And obviously, ChatGPT is a chatbot, it's a language model, it is not made for images. So, how can ChatGPT really help us with our thumbnail? And if we just ask it to create a thumbnail, it's not going to do a good job. So, here we see it tells us just kind of a few images or something like that to use. And if we know on YouTube, this probably isn't the best way to do it. So instead, I'm going to ask it to generate a couple tables with different elements that we would want in our thumbnails. So instead, what I'm asking it is, can it create three different tables with information about four YouTube thumbnail ideas each for this video? So you can see here, it's saying thumbnail idea, background image, and text overlay is the first one. So I simply asked it to include an idea for the background image and 3 to 5 words that would be overlaid. So, a frustrated hand holding a strip screw with the words removing strip screws or no more strip screws. The second table that I asked it for is more of the typical thumbnail where you have a background color and then you have the creator on it and some text. And so this says something like a light blue background color with a close up of the creator's face and says expert screw removal tips, or the creator holding a strip screw that says solving strip screw nightmares. And then the final one is a solid background, a creator image, an overlay image, and a text overlay. So if you had like a gray background color, a creator holding the screwdriver, a close up of a strip screw. So you'd have like the creator holding a screwdriver, then next to it would be a close up of a strip screw, and then say goodbye to strip screws. Personally, I'm not creating these four different ideas so that I'm going to go straight across and say, yeah, I want this, then this, then this, then this. I'm doing this so that it gives me all types of potential ideas for creator image, overlay images, and text image, and even just background images so that I can think through what might be the best thumbnail idea for this particular video. So now what I'm going to do is show you how to do the same thing whenever you have video captions. So I'm just going to copy this same prompt up here, and I'm going to go over into my other video and paste it in. Now remember, because this one has video captions, it has a lot more things than just the description of the video to go off of. So it might be able to include things like the different tools that I'm actually using and things like that that couldn't be included before. So you can see, like for here in an example, it includes icons of these things, which for what I actually did, I had a creator image, me holding up the number 4. I included icons of these things. And then I think I said like literature review tools or something like that. So this is a way that you can figure out what's an overlay text that might be helpful, what's a creator image, so just a smiling face, maybe holding a laptop, pointing at a camera, reading a book, writing, working on a computer, posing with a research book. It's a lot of different ideas that you could have if you're just stuck on what you actually want to create. And then you can even do it with just a background, like a stock background photo with text on top too, if that's more of your style. Once you take your thumbnail idea and create it, you've done all the things that you need to do to actually upload your video and most likely get it to appear in search. So the next lesson we're going to cover is actually how to take your video and then create community posts that promote it and help grow your channel that way.